Maintaining a healthy pineal gland is essential for our psychological development, optimal performance, and spiritual enlightenment.
That fluoride in the water thing is so sketchy.
The toothpaste that I have full of fluoride, the fluoride in the water, is poisonous. It's calcifying my pineal gland, and it's up my mental receivers.
We're all on medication right now. Did you use toothpaste with fluoride today? It blocks your pineal gland. It's inside the deodorants that we use. It's all these things.
The pineal gland, about the size of a rice grain, is crucial in shaping our perception, decision-making, daily functioning, and sleep. Maintaining a healthy pineal gland is essential for our psychological development, optimal performance, and spiritual enlightenment. Unlike most of our brain, it's not protected by the blood-brain barrier. Instead, it boasts a high blood flow, only surpassed by the kidneys. It's nestled in a small, cave-like space behind and slightly above the pituitary gland, encompassed by cerebral spinal fluid. The pineal gland generates melatonin by converting serotonin, and this melatonin prompts the pituitary gland to release MSH, melanocyte-stimulating hormone, which aids in melanin production. Melanin plays roles in various body functions. In the 1990s, British scientist Jennifer Luke discovered elevated fluoride levels in the pineal glands of her subjects. Fluoride, a chemical prevalent in most tap waters globally, exists alongside other harmful substances, notably pesticides. Beyond these chemicals, her study clarified how different medications and pollutants enter our water, either intentionally or from insufficient waste processing and filtering. Pesticides and heavy metals in water tend to accumulate more in the pineal gland than in other body areas. This accumulation of fluoride instigates the formation of hard, shell-like deposits, termed calcification, around the pineal gland, as depicted in the referenced image. Research shows that pineal gland calcification poses several negative consequences. It diminishes melatonin production, impacting sleep, and disrupts the circadian rhythm regulation, affecting our body's inherent sleep-wake cycle. Fluoridated water is speculated to be a leading contributor to this pineal gland calcification. Data suggests that exposure to fluoride might induce early puberty in kids. Animal studies have revealed that fluoride exposure reduces melatonin production. Numerous studies indicate that by the time an individual reaches their mid-30s, the pineal gland can resemble a small, hard pebble composed of fluoride. In layman's terms, when the pineal gland undergoes calcification, it disrupts our fundamental biological processes, leading to imbalances. Ancient cultures emphasized the significance of the pineal gland, deeming it essential for intuition and spiritual growth. In our progressively polluted world, nurturing an active, healthy pineal gland is vital to tap into our utmost capabilities. A piece on Mercola.com states that the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, along with the American Dental Association, have cautioned against fluoride use, particularly in contexts involving young kids. The article underscores various detrimental effects of fluoride consumption, as cited by Dr. Mercola. Elevates lead absorption, detrimental to health, may result in dementia, impacting memory and thinking, might induce genetic harm and cellular mortality, hampers collagen creation, affecting bone and tissue vigor, amplifies bone fracture chances, could heighten tumor and cancer incidence, may prompt hyperactivity or listlessness, and some negatively affects sperm, possibly leading to infertility, impairs the brain, reducing IQ, hinders sleep by curtailing melatonin generation in the pineal gland, and potentially other adverse outcomes not cited in this summary. Recognizing these potential hazards linked to fluoride intake is pivotal. Purifying and energizing your third eye can introduce profound betterments in your existence. When your third eye is receptive, you might attain heightened insight, focus, elation, intuitive sense, and superior choices. Beyond these optimistic outcomes, invigorating the third eye can yield vivid dreams that seem tangible and stick in memory. Lucid dreams, in which you realize you're in a dream and can steer your in-dream behavior. Facilitate astral ventures, denoting the mindful out-of-body experiences during rest. Refined sleep, resulting in profound relaxation and renewal. Amplified creative insight, letting you connect with your inventive flair. the faculty to observe auras, energy entities, and even images with eyes shut, and more transparent paths to sense and engage with surrounding energies. In contrast, if your third eye is sealed or dormant, labeled as the Ajna chakra in Hindu teachings, you might confront drawbacks like ambiguity, hesitancy, skepticism, gloominess, resentment, green-eyed feelings, and rigid viewpoints. By cleansing and energizing your pineal gland, you can harness these positive attributes and boost your holistic health. Visualize a door being jammed, akin to a glued door. While it's shut presently, it remains a portal awaiting to be unsealed. With persistent effort, the door will surely yield. Here are suggested tactics to decalcify the third eye. A notation implies that merging the approach with another from the list can amplify outcomes. Steer clear of fluoride. Eschew tap water, utilizing tap water in cooking, fluoride-infused toothpaste, non-organic produce, and filtered shower heads. Limit red meat, sodas, and synthetically produced food and beverages. Gradually shift to wholesome choices like organic produce for optimal benefits. For detoxifying and energizing the pineal gland, consider integrating substances such as hydrilla, verticillata, chlorella, spirulina, blue-green algae, iodine, zeolite, ginseng, borax, D3, bentonite clay, chlorophyll, and blue skate liver oil. Embrace specific foods. Consider incorporating raw cacao, goji berries, cilantro, watermelon, bananas, honey, coconut oil, hemp seeds, seaweed, and noni juice in your meals. Essential oils can invigorate the pineal gland and heighten spiritual cognizance. Meditation and astral projection can be enhanced with oils like lavender, sandalwood, frankincense, parsley, davana, pine, pink lotus, and mugwort. Exercise caution with mugwort. Excessive inhalation can be detrimental. Inhale essential oils directly. Deploy a diffuser or nebulizer or blend them in your bath. Embrace citric acid by increasing lemon consumption, beneficial due to its critic content. For a duration, ingest around half a garlic bulb daily. To mitigate its pungency, crush and marinate it in raw apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice. The residual vinegar or lemon juice can dress salads. For raw apple cider vinegar, ensure its authenticity, like the Bragg's variant. Daily, mix 1 quart of ionized alkaline water, 8 tablespoons of Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of genuine local honey. This regimen offers multifaceted advantages, particularly for the pineal gland. Sun gazing. Consider observing the sun during the initial 15 minutes of daybreak and the concluding 15 minutes of dusk. This can be advantageous for your pineal gland. Consistent meditation and vocalizing. Vocalizing induces resonance in a nasal bone, termed the tetrahedron. This resonance stimulates the pineal gland, encouraging the secretion of hormones that induce a rejuvenated feeling. The vocalization Om is specifically potent as it aligns with the 4th chakra, denoted as the heart center. This chakra correlates with unconditional affection. Chanting Om aligns you with universal and cosmic consciousness. Vocalize for intervals of 5 or 10 minutes, or extend if you're compelled to continue. Crystals. Certain gemstones can aid the pineal gland. Notable ones include amethyst wand, laser quartz wand, moonstone, lepidolite, purple sapphire, violet tourmaline, rhodonite, rosacite, and sodalite. However, any deep purple or indigo colored gem can be employed to invigorate and harmonize the pineal gland, as well as the 6th and 7th chakras. Simply position the stone on your forehead, spanning the brow region, for intervals of 15 to 30 minutes, either daily or every alternate day. This can calibrate, harmonize, and stimulate your third eye chakra, and can potentially mitigate or cleanse any calcification within the gland. A method to harness crystals is by consuming water from slender crystal vials. Each of these vials embeds 9 distinct natural gemstones. Specialists argue these can offer remarkable health boons, such as aiding in weight management, promoting digestive well-being, bolstering energy, and underpinning overall vitality and lasting youthfulness, among other advantages. Another technique to invigorate and maintain your pineal gland's health is utilizing an amethyst obelisk crystal or wand. Position the tip of the wand against your forehead, shut your eyes, and gaze upwards toward the sun. Practice this daily or as frequently as feasible for around 5 to 10 minutes. The sunlight will permeate the foundation of the crystal, targeting your pineal gland and invigorating it. A laser quartz wand can also be an alternative for this practice. Pulsating crystals are renowned for their advantages across all chakras. Magnets. One method to invigorate and decalcify the pineal gland involves applying a magnet to the region above your third eye, which is situated midway between your two physical eyes and a bit higher. Opt for a magnet that adheres to your skin, keeping it in place for several hours throughout the day. Magnets can help render your body more alkaline, especially at the point of application. It's essential to remember to utilize magnets exclusively on your head zone and only while you're conscious. That concludes our session today. Please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and share this video. Appreciate your viewership.